What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how to get views on your YouTube channel. So basically all you need to get views is need to have a good title, good description, good tags and a thumbnail. So if you're interested in knowing that, I have already created one video of how you can do it properly. So how to get YouTube title with logic, description, tags and creating thumbnails. So that's about it, but how you can go and identify and understand that it is going to work. So there is an amazing software named as TubeRank Jeet. I will add the link in the description of this media file. You can go directly download it from here. So I just opened TubeRank Jeet. So what you have to do is, what kind of a video you are going to make, all you have to do is add a keyword to that. So what kind of a keyword you are going to do is, basically you're watching this video for how to get views. So I don't know that what came in mind, so I'll just search get views. So that's not a creative idea, but that's what it is. So get views. So this is a search term which is very difficult to rank. So there you see there are so many videos which has already bumped up and getting more views from this. So it's very difficult to rank high in this kind of keyboard get views. So how we can go and understand that, how we can optimize our YouTube channel so we get a proper way of competition and our video can be viewed in front more of the audience. So basically you have to go and choose the title, description, tags and so on. So what kind of a category your video comes in. So for that I just searched for get views. So on Google, how am I going to go and type it is how to on YouTube. So that's basically enough. We are going to get the competition of top 5 ranking. We can go till 50, but top 5 is basically that's what I need. So this is the competitive videos which is already going high on YouTube. How to get views on YouTube. So that's our title. So I'm going to go and Control C on my keyboard, Control V on my description and tag. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the category. So what category does this comes in? So it comes in how to video. Okay, there is how to and style. So this kind of content which I create. So this is how to get views on YouTube. And there are more similar tags which is going to go and affect you. So what kind of a people are searching for is this kind of a tags, how to get 1000 views, and first title is Zayo, which is this guy over here. So what people search is how to get views, 1000 views, how to get 1000 views on YouTube. If you click on it, it will just directly go and add it inside our selected tags. Highest rank is 500, so we can't go more than 500 as YouTube says. How to get views 1000, just go on and it just shows into 5. That means there are so many higher value of search terms which is getting competitive, and your low value will be there if there is something which is higher keyword and less people are searching for. So get views, how to get views, just don't randomly click on it, because whatever you tag is going to be affected on what kind of a video you are going to make. How to get 1000, so on, just go and click on that. So I still have so many more. How to get views on YouTube APK, not Instagram. So there you see people search for Instagram as well. Get views for free, how to tutorial YouTube, how to get YouTube views. So this is 2018, so I can't add 2015. So now I'll see get my score. So it says 71% is a good impression that my video will come in the site the search. So it's a good score. So what else can I do to get it 100? You can still add a bit more to the title. How to get views on YouTube fast in 2018. So that will be, but it doesn't make some difference. So next thing, it says the description is too short, make it longer, add link to your website, Facebook page in description, ask viewers to subscribe to your channel in description. So first thing is, last thing goes for subscribe. Link to my YouTube is /ZealPlex. How to get views on YouTube, fast and easy way to get views. So what else can I do is website, subscribe, too long, so I have to go and write some more on, made the description a bit longer. So let's just go and see. 71, does it change? Yes, it says 82%. So if you have time, just go on and add viewer subscriber to the description, get more titles, so more score will be there. It's more likely to get your video into the search, and that's going to be helpful for your video to go and come in front of more of the audience. So TubeRank Jeet 2 is going to be helpful for you for your YouTube videos. So once again, the link will be in the description. You can directly visit to this media file and there is a download option. Just click on it and you will get the software. So that's about it. I hope your channel grows, and if you like my content, do comment it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir Ram, signing out. See you in the next one.